Dok! Dok!
Oh, bakit nurse Belo?
May pasyente po.
Asan? Tara. AM!
AM lang.
Naku. Nurse AM! Kunin mo yung mga gamit nga, operahan tayo. Lista mo ah. AM, dali yung gamit!
Dok, ito na po.
Ano yung gloves?
Ano po? Ako rin magsususin mo. Dok, gawin niyo po lahat na makakaya niyo.
Gagawin po namin ang lahat. Kaya natin to, team. Akin yung stethoscope. Wala na to.
Mad Roxanne, you don't have to put on that red light. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it is right. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Roxanne, you don't have to sell your body to the night.
His eyes upon your face, his hand upon your hand, his lips caress your skin. It's more than I can stand. There's my heart feelings I can't fight. You're free to leave me, but just don't deceive me, and please believe me when I say I love you.
Y yo que te quiero tanto, ¿qué voy a hacer? Me dejaste en un tango. El alma se me fue el corazón. Ya no tengo ganas de vivir, porque no te puedo convencer que no te vendas, Roxana.
Congrats po, Mrs.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you. Thank you.
Ingat po.